Continuing to part 2 of our fast demo, retrieve information. Let's move to retrieve information where you can actually see the routes that were caught doing fast. If you are from the NOC, Fast Result Dashboard is your homepage. If you are from the sales team or from the fraud management and want to look at the fraud trends in the network, CDR reports is where you will spend most of your time. Let's select Fast Results, which is a dashboard for your NOC, operations, or routing team. This is where you can work with daily alerts or results, and the portal helps you make your routing decisions. The data you see here is for 2 months and is backdated. Let me go back in time and select 2 months data. For 2 months, this customer had 217 routes that were caught doing fast. Total fast alerts, 2,524. Total fast route removals, 1,210. This customer has a lot of fast in its routes. You can see the supplier carrying fast traffic, destination that they carry traffic to, the service level, whether the supply was exempted, and the engineering mode configured. The last 2 columns, which is fast alerts and fast route removals, tell you how egregious the fast issue is. Fast route removals are the most egregious cases that need your immediate attention. Most of our customers has configured the SNMP traps directly to their routing engine. If the solution sends a route removal trap, then the route is automatically removed from the customer's routing engine. This level of sophistication, providing 95% accuracy, is the hallmark of our solution. By default, the results are sorted by alerts. By just a click of a button, you could flip the sort order, ascending or descending. Similarly, you can select any other column to sort by clicking on the column header. The first page are your worst 15 routes. The last page shows you the routes that have least fast issues. Let's go back to the first page. Now that you know that these are your worst 15 routes for fast for the 2 months, let's select the worst route here, which is the first one. This supplier to Ethiopia for standard service level has 218 alerts and 218 route removals. Let's deep dive and dissect this. Let's select Fast Metrics and hit Go To. This is the Fast Metrics page that shows you time distribution of the alerts. You can see the timestamps of the alert, fast detection, alert, and if there was a route removal. Every 30 minutes, the solution processes the CDRs from your CDR mediation engine and the 6 family of proprietary algorithms run in parallel to detect fast. In this case, the solution alerted at every 30-minute interval that the supplier is doing egregious fast. Hence, you should take action and remove the supplier. There are also cases like blended fast, where you will see the supplier turning fast on and off, like during weekends or during early hours of the day to evade detection. IPsoft solution finds every case of blended fast, which is missed by all competitor solutions. Let's go back to the main page. Now that you know that the supplier to Ethiopia is the worst route, let's see if there are other suppliers doing fast to Ethiopia. Same suppliers doing fast to Ethiopia for the premium service level, but it's not as bad. There's just 1 alert and 0 route removal. So now, let's look at evidence of fraud. This will help you dispute billing with your supplier. Let's select the route and go to Fast CDRs page. This is the Fast CDRs page, which shows all the fast suspect CDRs. There are no other solutions in the market that provides you with the evidence for fast. Now you could dispute billings, negotiate better rates with the supplier, or completely get rid of it. The CDR page shows you the CDR ID, originating gateway or originating switch, disconnect time of the call, called party number, pre-translated digits, network switch that generated the CDRs, the answer delay, which is the time the answer signal was received, or in this case, fraudulently sent, and the duration of the call or the hold time. You could deep dive the CDRs further and go to the detailed CDR page that will report to you all the fields from the CDRs. These fields are customizable based on your requirements. So just with 3 levels, you found your worst route, whether it was an egregious case, and should be removed, and the evidence in the form of CDRs. For most of the customers, all these 3 steps are automated. When a supplier is caught doing fast, they are automatically removed and an email sent with the evidence CDRs. Alternately, the CDRs can be exported to Excel by clicking on the export button and sent to your sales team or the supplier.